So this is the finished product of liquid dough pizza. Now we can taste what is taste of my liquid dough pizza. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mmm, yummy, yummy. In another bowl or container, now I have this 1 teaspoon of yeast, active yeast, or 7 grams of yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now we have to put this one here, and water, 150 ml of water. Now we have to mix this one in like this. Mix well. I did not put all this water because we have to control the consistency or batter of this dough, liquid dough. Now I have this flour, 1 cup flour, because this 1/2 cup this one, so I use 2 cups. So this is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now we have to mix well. Now salt also, we have to put salt, 1 teaspoon, and then olive oil or any kind of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon, or make it 2 tablespoons like this. Now mix well. This one is not good. Another bowl, I put all-purpose flour here, 1 tablespoon, and then we have to put also oil, cooking oil or olive oil or any kind of oil. We have to put also 1 tablespoon or more than. Now we have to mix well. And already this one, the butter or liquid dough of this pizza. So must be the consistency like this. I use already the water I put here. You see, like this. It's like dough or liquid dough of pancake. So I use this kind of pan. You can use any kind of pan for pizza. So this is already mixed well. Now we have to put here in pan. We have to put all this one here. Now we can pour or put now this liquid dough here in pan. We have to scatter it and occupy all this tray. So I already put all here in pan. Now we have to cover it and leave this one for 10 minutes. We have to cover it like that. Now we have to blend tomatoes, onions, garlics, and oregano. I have this oregano. They call it here pudina. So tomatoes, I have to slice tomatoes, then I will grind it. I use blender. I think 2 is enough tomatoes. So no need to put this one. Now we have to put here in blender. Then put this one. also together so that we will blend it or grind. Now start blend. So this is already I grind tomatoes, onions, garlics, and oregano. Now we have to put here in pan and we have to cook this one. We have to open the flame. Then we have to. My blender is not good. You see, it's not totally grind, but no problem. We have to cook this one here. If you have tomato sauce, you can add also here, but I don't have tomato sauce. Also ketchup, I don't have. So no need to put. So I now this sugar, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of salt. And this one, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour. I use corn flour because I don't have cornstarch. And cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. If you have any kind of cooking oil, if you have olive oil, then it's better. But no problem, you can use any kind of cooking oil. So we have to put this one, and then we have to cook it. So this is already paste. You see the tomatoes before na buo-buo. It's already paste. Kasi ginanyan ko, oh, dinurog. So we have to turn off now the flame and we have to make cold this one, sauce. Now it's time to put now all these toppings. I have these onions, green bell pepper or capsicum, tomatoes, and also I have this flake chicken. I removed one piece from chicken curry because yesterday I cooked chicken curry. Then you can add also black or green olives, fruits, but I don't have. So I have this substitute and I have this cheese. I use sliced cheese. So I have one more tipid-tipid. And then if you have to put more sausages or what is more, mushroom. So I don't have that available. So no need. What I have only available is I have to put. So this is already the sauce. Now we have to cut this one and we have to apply this sauce here in. Where is that plastic? It's come here. I Now we have to put like this. Now it's time to put this cheese. Ayan. Ano kayang magiging lasa nito? What is the result of my liquid dough pizza? Ayan, buhos lahat. Simutin lahat. Now, onions. We have to put onions. Spring onions. Ay, ano pala ito? Yung onion ring. Spring onion. Yan. Double-double natin yan. Ayan. Now, this tomatoes or bell pepper first. Oh, sorry. Chicken. Ayan. Only one piece chicken I get from chicken curry. but it's too much because I already flaked it. Oh, yan. Oh, next, capsicum. 1 piece only capsicum I use. Next, tomatoes. Yan. Yan. One tomato only I use also. Big tomato. Oh, yan. And then, wisikan din natin ng cooking oil. Optional, if you want to put also, no need. Wisik-wisik natin yan. Kunti-kunti lang. It's ready to bake now in oven. But I don't have oven, so I will bake this one in stove. And since I don't use now this my unique oven, and this is liquid dough, so I think this is easy to cook and no need to use oven, or this is my unique oven. So I cook this one in stove. Cooking liquid dough pizza in stove in very low flame. Now let's check. Ayan, yung dough niya. Ito na yung ilalim ng liquid dough pizza. So, i-ano ko uli ito, tawag dyan, turn side ko uli.